Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I stand before you to share an extraordinary journey, a journey through the vibrant world of mandala art. Before we embark on our 14-day expedition into the realm of mandalas, let's take a moment to appreciate its rich history. Originating from ancient traditions, mandalas have transcended time and culture. The word mandala itself stems from Sanskrit, meaning circle or disk, symbolizing the cosmos in unity. Fast forward to the present day, and mandala art continues to captivate hearts and minds, not only for its mesmerizing beauty but also for its therapeutic qualities. Imagine this, in just 14 days, individuals from all walks of life can immerse themselves in the art of mandalas. From the basics to advanced techniques, under the guidance of skilled instructors, each color choice becomes a vessel for self-expression and inner exploration. Learning mandala art in 14 days has been a transformative experience. It's incredible how something as simple as drawing circles can awaken the soul. I never imagined I could create something so intricate and beautiful. It's like each mandala I create tells a story of my journey with it. As we reach the culmination of our 14-day journey, we stand in awe of the masterpieces we've created. Each mandala a testament to our growth and creativity. In conclusion, learning mandala art in 14 days is not just about mastering the skill. It's about embarking on a voyage of self-discovery, unlocking hidden depths of creativity and finding solace in the harmony of shapes and colors.